Questa Balaguera e Signamo facendo la chiusura da portiere di
Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can shine as bright as you, I swear it's true. Hey there Delilah, don't you worry about the distance, I'm right there. If you get lonely, give this song another listen. Close your eyes, listen to my voice, it's my disguise, I'm by your side. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me. Hey there Delilah, I know times are getting hard, but just believe me girl, someday I'll pay the bills with this guitar. We'll have it good, we'll have the life we knew we would, my word is good. Hey there Delilah, I've got so much left to say. If every simple song I wrote to you would take your breath away, I'd write it all. Even more in love with me you'd fall, we'd have it all. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 1,000 miles seems pretty far, but they've got planes and trains and cars. I'd walk to you if I had no other way. Our friends would all make fun of us, and we'll just laugh along, because we know that none of them have felt this way. Delilah, I can promise you that by the time we get through, the world will never ever be the same in your place. Hey there, Delilah, you'll be good, and don't you miss me. 2 more years and you'll be done with school, and I'll be making history like I do. You know it's all because of you. We can do whatever we want to. Hey there, Delilah, here's to you. This one's for you. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me. Oh, 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 oh.
Wouldn't it be nice if we were older, then we wouldn't have to wait so long? And wouldn't it be nice to live together in the kind of world where we belong? No, it's gonna make it that much better when we can say goodnight and stay together. Wouldn't it be nice if we could wake up in the morning when the day is new, and after having spent the day together, hold each other close the whole night through? What happy times together we've been spending. I wish that every kiss was never ending. But wouldn't it be nice?
Conocerá a Menama de sacar 1-2 segundos, marca ahora el GPS a Fiervela. La vuestra 11 en el día 2-3 segundos a Ottawa. Cerca de el tiempo de una primera.
single thing we couldn't do. We could be married, and then we'd be happy, But wouldn't it be nice? You know, it seems the more we talk about it, it only makes it worse to live without it. But let's talk about it. Wouldn't it be
Maestro para pintar la presentación de la comunidad, hasta un día sábado, a menos de 200 metros, 8 segundos. A todos, película, cabo, 40 segundos a la roa, ya ves el tubo el
I love the colorful clothes you wear and the way the sunlight plays upon her hair. I hear the sound of a gentle word on the wind that lifts her perfume through the air. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Close my eyes. She's somehow closer now. Softly smile, I know she must be
picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Good vibrations. Excitations. Good vibrations. But she sends me there. Gotta keep those loving good vibrations are happening with her. Gotta keep those loving good vibrations are happening with her. All the leaves are brown, and the sky is gray. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. Yeah. I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA. California dreaming on such a winter's day. Stopped into a church I passed along the way. When I got down on my knees, I pretend to pray. You know the preacher likes the cold. He knows I'm gonna stay. California dreaming on such a winter's day.
Questo sta in un'ola, alla mutiglie! ay, 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 ay.
Now and then I think of when we were together, like when you said you felt so happy you could die. I told myself that you were right for me, but felt so lonely in your company. But that was love and it's an ache I still remember. You can get addicted to a certain kind of sadness, like resignation to the end, always the end. So when we found that we could not make sense, well, you said that we would still be friends, but I'll admit that I was glad it was over.
Chapela, Leandro Apple, historia anónima con Arranca, presentaría Jorge Chapela de Fabio Río. Pasaban 7 años, pasó el lío. De Mario de Martínez, Juan Martín, y se fue la Cachabán, que nos da Roa. Rodríguez de Toque. Quitamos la presidencia con Weinstein. Jude Combs, cada bótica en el hermano Río. Mucho las cosas como la música y que Rayero Labonac el primer triunfo temporada de la historia la veía para Diagoneta Moreira Honda Ruto Deita Maseira Remandera Cicaucho Farina Bustia Honda Ruto Alcate que va a llegar de la Diagoneta Diagoneta Gehiera, Gehiera. Bandera gaudezea. Aurreko asteburuan hartutako bidetik jarraitu dute. Baina, ligan lehenengoa dute. Beste amari puntu gainera. Altxo hau, biak hau, Gehiera.
Gogora erazi ezun moduan
Irabazi duena.
baina gurtzeko garaia ere iritsi zaitula estadioan.
Ondarruko hogeita bazigarren bandera obera zortxoia traineruan ikusteko du. Arraunlariak pozpozen ikusten ditugu noske.
Hala! Baino!
Eta hortu ikusi dugu. Liganes, Gehiera bizteko duena, bandera idea. Arrauna. Gora! Preparados para el segundo protocolario. Posibilidades de esta temporada en la Liga para Gehiera. Tenemos al Gehiera. Continúa con todo en los platos. Eta Gaucho. Salmos la Sierra.